Well, hi everybody, it's Monty, it's Shadle, and here we are wrapping up week number 6. And you know what next Monday is? Dun dun dun, it's Pi Day. What is this thing called pi? P-I, 3.1415. Do you know where it comes from? Circumference divided by diameter. Every circle in the world, you just take the distance around divided by the distance across, and you get this universal constant known as pi. After we do that in class, we'll have some apple pie and cherry pie in class on Monday. How exciting! Okay, well here we are wrapping up this week, and the most important thing we always do to start our video is our shout outs. So here we go. All right, and to start the week, spiral note-taking devices. As the year went along, we have to start taking formal notes, okay? So everybody got their own spiral, everybody started coloring it up and decorating it, and I want to reach out and say thank you and congratulations to all these people for all their hard work this week, getting back into the swing of taking formal notes in math. All right, so here we go in period 3. Logan Anderson, Anthony Gomez, David Hirsch, Jocelyn Ives, Addison Young, Rita Kurganova, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Dylan Munger, J.E. Stahl, Savannah Swatman, Evan Upton, Christian Walters, and Zylo Holman. In period 4, Rosalina Bani, Haley Bowers, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Elliot Collins, Rashad Hart, Kylie Jensen, Tommy Krotzer, Jeanine Lopez, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Kiera Perkins, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And in period 5, Desiree Ballou, Jackson Berkey, Cam Brown, Chris Ferraro, Araya Howard, Quentin Mason, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindy, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Cassidy Sullivan, Leo Walters, and Tyler Wyant. Thank you for doing that little bit of extra work getting started with our spirals and formal note-taking. All right, so let's move on. We had a challenge problem this week, which was kind of an interesting one. It was a tile problem, and several people went over and above to do the tile problem. And we want to reach out and thank Anthony Gomez, Rita Kurganova, and Tristan Larson from period 3. In period 4, Haley Bowers, Evan Cavell, Elliot Collins, Mercedes Nichols, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And in period 5, Jackson Berkey, Tristan Bell, and Matthew Shuck. Then it's that time of the month again where we want to reach out and say happy birthday to all of our March birthdays. On March 1st, we had Lee Martinet. March 5th, Ali Zenishek. March 13th, Tristan Bell. March 16th, Conan Rutov. And March 30th will be Tyler Wyant. Happy birthday! All right. So this week, Sokotoa, okay? Every day, we listen to Sokotoa songs, trying to get this idea of the sine of an angle, the cosine of an angle, and the tangent of an angle. And we had to mix in some vocabulary. So every day we started working on that, trying to understand it, okay? Then we started working on special right triangles, okay? And the first one we did was the 30, 60, 90. We took an equilateral, we cut it in half, and created the 30, 60, 90 triangle, and learned shortcuts on how to calculate the lengths of the sides and the hypotenuse. Then we moved on to the 45, 45, 90, which is nothing more than half a square. We took a square, cut it in half, and we learned the properties so we could go faster at calculating the length of the legs and the hypotenuse. All right? All of which stemmed from this guy named Pythagoras a long time ago. So this week, coming up, we got to get ready for the unit circle. We got to get ready to use these ideas of special right triangles so that we can get faster as we get ready to do formal trigonometry, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. All right? So that's this upcoming week. And don't forget, Monday in the classroom, we've got to celebrate Pi Day. So we'll see you Monday in the classroom. Bring your appetite. Bring your scissor hands because we got to cut, paste, tape, and try to figure out what exactly is this pi? Where does it come from? See you Monday.